If you make Satyanarayan Prasad the way I have shown you, I am sure everybody will ask only one question: who has made this Prasad? Hi friends, welcome to Merlin's Magical Recipes. Shravan month has begun and there are pujas performed, that is Satyanarayan pujas, which are performed in many places, in many houses. For this puja, we make the Satyanarayan Prasad, which is a very sacred Prasad. But this Prasad is made in a very huge quantity because people call many of them for these pujas. It is usually made in 1¼ kilo of rava. But today I will be showing you this Satyanarayan Prasad in a smaller quantity because we cannot make this huge quantity while showing in the recipe. So I will show you a smaller quantity. Let us begin with the ingredients. Come. Let us see the ingredients for this Satyanarayan Prasad. We have taken this cup measurement. Usually we have to take 1¼ cup measurement, but today I have taken double the quantity. 1¼ and 1¼ that is 2½ 2½ cup measurement of this rava. This rava also I have taken very fine quality of rava. The prasad becomes very nice when you take the fine quality. Same measurement, 2½ cup of sugar, and pure ghee also same measurement, 2½ cup. These all the three things, rava, sugar and ghee, should be of the same measurement. This measurement double we have to take milk. This is 2½ cup, so we have to take 5 cups of milk. This is badam and cashew nuts which I have cut fine. This you may take as per your requirement. This is 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, elaichi powder. This is kesar which you have to put in the milk. Just a pinch you have to put. And these are 3 bananas which we always put in the Satyanarayan Prasad. Come, let us start making the Prasad. Now there are many tips which I will be telling you while making this Prasad. First is the proper measurement. Second is, first we have to dry roast this rava. When you dry roast this, the rava becomes very light and fluffy. And this all has to be done on very slow gas. You cannot make the gas fast. Now you have to dry roast this at least for 10 minutes on very slow gas. Now I have shown you the second tip of making this prasad nice and light and fluffy. We have dry roasted this on slow gas for 10 minutes. Now we will add the ghee, pure ghee. You can add at least half of it now. Keep on adding little by little, and then you have to fry this rava in the ghee on slow gas till it becomes brown. It has to be fried very nicely. You can keep on adding ghee. All this ghee will be required for this prasad. On slow gas only you have to fry this rava till it becomes nice and brown. This is the third tip. As we are frying this rava, let us keep the milk for making hot. See, as we are frying this rava, see how the ghee is floating on the top. It should be like this. Just little ghee we have kept aside to put it last, afterwards, once the prasad is ready. The milk is boiling. Let us put a pinch of kesher in the milk, just a pinch, and let it boil. Here we are frying the rava. Little more it has to fry. See, now the rava has become nice and brown. You can see this already fried very nicely till golden brown. Now let us add the sugar. Stir nicely. The gas is slow only. Everything has to be done on slow gas. Just stir this sugar nicely. Now we will add the dry fruits. Let us stir it for 2 minutes. Now let us add the cardamom powder, elaichi powder. This is 1 teaspoon we have taken. Gives a nice flavor to the prasad. And these are the 3 bananas which we have cut fine. Let us add that also. Let us stir all this nicely first. Now the milk is boiling. Let us off the gas. Now the fourth tip is we have to pour very boiling milk in this prasad. You cannot pour cold milk. If you pour cold milk, the prasad will become very sticky and heavy. It has to become light and fluffy, so we have to pour very boiling milk. Let us pour this milk with the kesher. Now we have poured all the milk. Now let us close this and keep it on slow gas. We have to cover it up and keep. After 2 minutes, we have to just open this. See how the milk is absorbed. Just give it a stir nicely. Stir it from down to top. See how nice and soft and fluffy it has become. Prasad has to become in this way only. Again we have to close it and keep it for another 2 minutes. Let us close it and keep it. Now after another 2 minutes, let us see how nice the prasad has become. Now let us put the remaining ghee, whatever was remaining, we can put it and give it a final stir nicely. See the prasad, how it is become, the color and the texture. Everything should become in this way only. Nice and light and fluffy, see. It is very nice and very yummy to eat. When you make prasad this way, everybody will ask you the recipe for this. Yeah, come on. Now this is all ready. Let us off the gas and do the presentation. Friends, Satyanarayan Prasad is all ready for your puja. See how nice it looks. While making this prasad, the aroma of this prasad not only spreads in your full house, but also in your full building. The whole building comes to know that you are making this prasad. The ingredients of this Satyanarayan Prasad is given in the description box. If you like my today's prasad recipe, please like, share and subscribe for my channel. Until I come up with my next recipe, bye.